In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to easily duplicate and edit a discount deal on your Fresha dashboard. We'll cover each step thoroughly, so even if you're new to Fresha, you'll find the process smooth and straightforward. First, let's start by navigating to your Fresha dashboard, where you usually manage all your salon or studio operations. On the left sidebar, you'll want to look for a section labeled Marketing. You'll identify it easily thanks to the distinctive megaphone icon next to it. Once you click on Marketing, this will take you to a new menu where you'll find different ways to promote your services. In this menu, focus your attention on the Promotions section. Within Promotions, there's a subsection aptly titled Deals. This is where the magic happens. Go ahead and click on Deals. Here, you will see a comprehensive list of all your active and past discounts. It's designed to give you a complete overview at a glance. Now take a moment to find the specific discount you need to work with. Once you locate it, look slightly to the right of the discount title. You'll spot 3 small dots. Clicking on these dots will reveal a drop-down menu. From this menu, select the Duplicate option. What you're doing here is creating a mirror image of the existing discount, but rest assured, the original discount remains unchanged. You'll notice that a new page instantly opens. Here, you'll see all the details from your original discount carried over to this duplicate version. It's a great opportunity to ensure all the information aligns with your current promotional goals. Now, take a moment to review everything carefully. If you find anything that needs updating, be it a minor tweak in the description or a quick change in the discount percentage, now is the perfect time to make those modifications. Once you've confirmed all the necessary details, look towards the top of the page and click Continue. Next, you'll set up any limits you want to impose on your discount. Limits could be the duration in which the deal is active, or perhaps the number of times the discount can be used. After setting these parameters, simply click Continue once again at the top of the interface. Finally, we come to setting up locations. It's a crucial part, especially if you have multiple locations and you want the discount to apply to specific branches only. Check off the locations you want this discount to be valid for, and when you're satisfied with your selections, click Create at the top. And that's it. You've successfully duplicated and edited a discount on Fresha, ready to catch the attention of your clients. Thank you for watching, and if you found this guide helpful, don't hesitate to explore more of our tutorials for additional tips on managing your business efficiently.